Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change system font on the Redmi Note 14 5G. So first tap on the settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Again scroll down and in font section tap on the font. And here you can choose from all these available fonts. You can reach the fonts menu also by tapping on Themes application. And here on the top you can find fonts and you are on the same place. Now we can try download and install some font. So for example, first one. Sorry, this is already installed, so we can try to install this one. So tap on the green free button. That means phone will download the font. And after that, you can apply it by tapping on this green button again. Okay, applied successfully, so we can check. And as you can see, font is changed. If you want to change back to default font, you can do this here in menu, in settings menu, by tapping on display and brightness, font settings, and here you have all your installed fonts. Default is first. And if you want to manage these fonts, you can go back to the Themes application, tap on my account, fonts, and here you can tap on font and delete it, and also choose which one you want. So you can change fonts here too. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.